Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with our first hair transformation. She goes from shoulder length. Oh. Okay. Having a little fun with the extra hair there. And then the stylist does cut the hair into a bob. Oh, look at the bangs. Oh, beautiful. I really like the way that this cut came out. So cute. And she went darker with the color. Very nice. So next up we have someone at the salon for a cut refresh. Nice swoop bangs going there in the front. And a classic bob makeover. Very cute. And then we move into a pixie hair change. Oh wow, look at the amount of fullness this has. So gorgeous. Oh, it's a nice cute pixie bob cut. Very cute. Wow, and it frames her face perfectly. Alright, so next up, if you guys are wanting to try out some of these trends, there's a lot of women wearing wigs these days. This particular wig looks very natural, and I love the color variation here. It does feature some layers. Such a cute style. And then we have a curly hair makeover. So she ends up getting the hair straightened and layered with the bangs once again in the front. A little bit of color here too. I remember her being darker. Very cute. It's giving us very like 70s inspired vibes. So next up, we have another cute pixie style. Oh, feather bangs in the front. Oh, this is gorgeous. Very cute. So for the next one, we have a color change. She gets this beautiful full bob with the bangs. Wow, her hair is so thick and pretty. It is just gorgeous. Ooh, and then we see an angled bob with bangs. Oh, I love this. And this is very more on that like pixie bob variation. It's very long in the front and much shorter in the back. I really like it with bangs. I don't think I've seen that in a while. And we have a pixie transformation. longer bangs in the front, more of that asymmetrical shape. And then we have another dramatic angled pixie bob haircut, or just a dramatic angled bob. In general, the hair is much longer in the front. I'd say it's almost shoulder length, and very short in the back area. Oh, we have a big chop transformation here. So she's got the shaven nape and then doing a bob. Wow, and she has really thick hair as well. Oh, so beautiful. Beautiful bob makeover. So much fullness. Amazing. And what's crazy to me is the fact that she has this much fullness and the back portion of her hair has been shaven. That is insane amount of thickness to her strands. I love it. So here we have another kind of undercut variation. She's got some green hair going there towards the ends. Beautiful jade color. Oh wow, look at this. I love this look. It's so edgy. It also features that dramatic angle, longer in the front. Very pretty. So comment down below which hairstyles in today's video were your favorite. I think this one is definitely on my top list of styles to try. If you enjoyed these looks, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.